Ha ha ha. It says, hurry, limited stock. Too late. I already got it. I only had one and I got it. And I made a video about it. I apologize for it being so long, but I wanted to try it out. And you're going to be amazed at how much power this thing puts out. It says that it's 12 volts or 24 volts. Wait until you see it. I know the video is a little long. I appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the video. And I'm at Outdoor shopping at the Harbor Freight tool store. And I picked me up this 13-watt briefcase solar charger panel. And yeah, check out the video, please. Watch it to the end, because I'm going to show you on the meter how much voltage this thing puts out. It's incredible. You will not believe it.
So I'm going into Harbor Freight Tools and check out, see if they've got any solar panels, and if they do, how much they are, and if they're any good. So let's go in here and check it out. Good.
Brian, will you be able to do for a little bit?
I will.
Are you receiving the free promotions that we send out?
I get a catalog. This appears to be open and stuff or return. Can I open it and make sure it's okay?
Not a problem, go ahead. Okay, I'm going to tell her all the Oh, no, I'm good. No, I love you, I'm on What's your phone number, dear?
407
Jill or Harold?
Harold. Yeah, I'm not Jill.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure.
No, Dave. You make a pretty good Jill. Everything good?
Yeah, it looks okay.
Alright, your total comes to be 64.17. My
Should go
credit card
through.
machine's been giving us a problem.
Says decline.
Yeah, you
Wonder
might
if you
have to-
swipe it.
It's not going to work. My credit card machine hasn't been working. It started acting up.
Okay, so no credit cards.
No, not at the moment.
Let's try the old-fashioned way.
I think my computer will accept that. 64.17. 67. Do you want these?
No.
Okay,
Because you're not going to take it back anyway.
I will if you need me to.
No, you don't. You might change it out if you had one, but you don't have no more.
Have a good day, dear.
Thank you. Oh, receipt? I got it in my pocket. All right, so here we got a 13-watt briefcase solar charger. Let's see what all's in the box. That's nice. I'm already taking some of the packaging off. Hope you can see that. Yep. So I have no idea what this is. Let's open it up and see what it is. It's got tape all 4 directions. Huh. I still don't know what it is. This is what I was wondering about. This right here. I was wondering if it will fit into my, and it does. It fits into my FlashFish. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I wasn't sure that it came with that. It comes with a cigarette lighter charger. Well, this is actually stuff you can plug something in that runs off of 12 volts, and you want to plug it in there and power it up or charge it. This is so you can plug it into the solar power panel and plug this into your cigarette lighter and charge your battery on your vehicle. And this is another one that you can plug it into the solar panel, clamp these clamps onto your battery, and charge your battery in your vehicle. Or if you have like a lawnmower or motorcycle, anything that has a 12 volt battery, charge it right up. I still have to research this and see what this is. It's in the box. I don't know what it is. And then we'll get to the panel here. So here's a nice brochure. See if it has anything in here about that controller or whatever it is. Nope. I don't see anything about that. I have no idea what that controller is. And then you open this up, and it's very nice. 12 volts. It's got the cable wrapped around down here. Nice. So what can we do with that? We can charge that. We can charge this as a lithium ion. I think it's lithium ion. It's off a light. And this is a 200 watt solar generator. It says portable power station, but it's charged with solar or a wall outlet or a car charger. So wow, that is great. So this is all you need, this and this, and if you're going camping or whatever, and you're going to get power. Oh look, it also says 12 volts or 24 volts. Wow, that's fantastic. I think we're going to have to take it outside and try it out. Now make sure that switch is on 12 volts, because I'm not charging 24 volts, I'm charging 12 volts. So let's close it back up. It's got magnets that hold it together, it's got legs. Now once you get it where you want it, you can prop it up Very nice. For $59, you can't beat that.
Hey, so now I'm going to take my testy little meter here, see if I can figure out what this thing's doing. Don't really have a battery, so I'm just going to hook up my test meter. This is a cable that came with the device, the solar panel, the suitcase solar panel. And it's going to plug into the cable, and then I'm going to set it out there in the sun and see what kind of voltage we're getting with it. I don't know if I can do amperage or not, but I'm going to try and see if I can. So let's open it up and see what it's going to do. So see these little things here? I was watching another video and the guy had it sitting up like this. That's not the way it goes. It actually goes like this. And the plastic piece goes down on the ground. And these just go in these grooves here to hold it up. So that's the way that works. But I'm not going to use them. I'm not going to use them right now for this demonstration. As soon as I open it up, that blue light starts blinking there, if you can see it. And it's putting out power. So now I'm going to take this cable loose and get this out of here. I'm going to take it all the way out because I want to set it up here on the table and do it. So there you go, that's out. Now I'm going to set it out here in the sun right here on the edge of the porch, and we're going to test it and see what it's putting out. Okay, so I got it sitting out there. Let's see if I can keep from getting myself shocked. So we've got the positive and the negative, and we're going to plug it right into here. Plug that in there. So now the negative is already, I'm going to kind of hook it in here so it don't sling around and get on the red one. I'm going to set this at 300 volts for DC because that's what it says to set it at. I'll clamp it on there. And look at that, it says it's putting out 22 volts, 23 volts. Huh, but it's supposed to be putting out 12. Let me make sure I got the switch set correctly. Well, I'll put it over to 24 volts and it's putting out 48 volts, or 47 volts. Wow, that's crazy. So I set it back on 12 volts. It's putting out 23 volts. 23 volts, can you see that? That little panel is putting out 23 volts. So I can't check the ohms on this because it's going back to itself and it's hooked up to the ohms meter, or to the voltage meter. So I gotta find something to hook it up to, a battery or something to check it out. But I don't have a battery. I guess that's a video for another day. I could hook it up to the van. But this, I don't understand this. This is supposed to be 12 volts or 24 volts. And it's charging 24 volts on 12 and 48 on the 24. I mean, I guess that's good. That thing puts out a lot of power. That's ridiculous. You got to be very careful and don't touch anything that shouldn't touch because it will cause a problem. Anyway, I'll show you that again. That's 23 volts. Now I'm going to change it over to the 24 and watch this. So I changed over, it's supposed to be 24. And can you see that? 46 volts. 46 volts. That'll charge my electric bike easily. Now let me take you over here and show you what it looks like in the sun. First I'm going to unplug this thing. Disconnect. Okay, I disconnected it. Now let's go take a look at it and see what it looks like. And that's what it looks like. It's not very big. It's not very big. And you can see the blue light blinking there. That means it is on, baby. It is on. Hey, thanks for watching. If you stayed to the end, go out and get you some solar panels. Get you a little battery, do some solar. See you later.